welcome back to my channel. If you're watching for the first time, hi, I'm Ruhita Sen. We'll be reviewing some of the masks which suits all skin type and are actually budget friendly and pocket friendly, just under 500. Yes, you heard it right, just under 500. So this is my blingy bag in which I keep all my sheet masks and all my face masks. First I have this Biotic face mask. It is the Advanced Ayurveda Biofruit Whitening Depigmentation and Tan Removal face mask, which retails for around $4.90, and I bought this from Nykaa, but it was a sale, so I got it for around $4.35. It's such a great product. It actually removes all the tan and pigmentation, and I have been using this and you can see it's totally empty. Highly recommend this product. It is an amazing product. Do check out my description box. I will be linking it. For the second review, I have this Plum Green Tea face mask, which is great for acne prone skin, and you can also use on any skin type. It actually prevents acne and it's multi-dimensional. It cleans, soothes, controls acne and prevent the reoccurrence. It's a great mask. It has green tea in it, which is again a great detoxifier for your skin. You can use it twice a week. I use it twice a week in my nighttime regime. You can use it any time of the day and it's amazing. This is a 60-gram product which retails for $4.90. You can get it on a lesser price on a sale day. Is this Mamaearth Cocoa face mask with coffee and cocoa. It's written for skin awakening. Coffee actually awakens your skin and gives a healthy glow to your skin. This Mamaearth face mask is amazing and great. Energizes your skin, reduces skin tan and helps in tightening your skin, which is an amazing power packed formula for any skin type. I use this face mask twice or thrice a week. I highly recommend this one. It is one of the best and I love this face mask and it is my current favorite. This is a 100-gram product which retails for $4.99, but I got it on a 20% discount. Moving on, I have some masks which are below 100. So these are the masks. This is the Kara Purifying and Sebum Control face mask with charcoal, which is great for days when you feel low and tired and you love to have a pampered session for yourself. It actually controls the sebum and it's great for oily skin, and even a normal skin type person can use this. Moving towards the second sheet, I have this from Nykaa. This is the Unmasked Peptides and Goji Berry for firm and lifted skin. This is great for when you are going for any parties or any occasions and you want a instant glow and brightness to your skin. You can definitely go with this. It instantly lifts your skin and gives a glow and shine from within. It also retails for around 100, but in offer you can get buy 5 get 5 offer. Third sheet, I have this from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Cheat Sheet Clarifying Mask. These are on the days when you work from home and you are tired and you need a little pamper to yourself. You can use this anytime and use it once a week only. It controls oil, it unclogs pores, it controls blemishes, and it lightens the acne scar. So it's a power packed formula. This is also a current favorite from my list under 500. I have shown you all the 3 face masks which I use on a regular basis and all are my personal favorite, but amongst them I have my current favorite, which is the Mamaearth Cocoa face mask. It actually gives a healthy glow to your skin and coffee energizes your skin really amazingly. Now moving towards a higher range products which are actually worth every penny and I personally use them. this Raga D10 pack, which is a 500 gram product, and it retails for $9.95 with tan once a week, and I use it with this brush. This is a flat brush. Always use a brush for application and don't use your bare hands on your face. Moving toward next, I have this professional O3 Plus D10 pack, which is a 300 gram product and retails for $13.50, but I got it for $12.50, which is 100 rupees off. It is a great instant brightening and tan removal pack. This D10 pack is amazing. It has 8 benefits in this one jar. It hydrates, it nourishes your skin, and it also soothes and calms. It has mint and eucalyptus oil. Isn't that great? And it also lightens and whitens the skin, which is again a great property for a D10 pack. Apply this D10 pack after cleansing your face with any face wash according to your skin type, and always use this flat brush for the application. Don't use your bare hands as it has many bacteria and you can get acne really soon. So please use a brush for application, and it glides smoothly. It has an amazing consistency. Yes, the consistency is a little thick, but it actually removes tan. And so from the higher end version, my current favorite is the O3 D10 pack. Comment below and tell me if you want a detailed review on all these masks, on how to apply them and the ease of removal of the mask. So do tell me in the comment section. If you love this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below, and also hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Love you all.